Hey guys, today I'm filming another what I eat in a day on Low Fodmap Elimination diet. I've already filmed one of these with some like meal inspo in, but I'm filming a second today, and the reason you're on a tripod is because I'm about to film a video. But I've got a cup of oat milk tea for breakfast. Oat milk you can have in like small amounts on the elimination process. I look so greasy today. I need to wash my hair. But yeah, I can't really live without my like morning tea. So oat milk, Yorkshire brew, and a tiny bit of sugar is my go-to. It's so good. I'm having a filming day today. I'm going to film 4 videos hopefully, so it's going to be a bit full on, but I'm already looking forward to lunch because I know what I'm having, and dinner as well is going to be, oh, I've just realised it's going to be a very fishy day to me. I'm not having any meat, just fish. You got a pigeon? You're well pissed off. Outfit change. I'm just making some lunch. I'm so excited about this lunch today. I'm mainly excited about this. I got some smoked salmon, which is such a luxury purchase. I feel like it's such a treat when you add this to your food shop. And it only lasts 2 days, but apparently if you wrap it up well, it'll last up to a week. So I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna have a couple of slices of that with some scrambled egg, chop up some of the green bits from a spring onion for a little bit of, I don't know, texture and flavour. And I've also got a little bit of brie. I am going to serve that on some spelt sourdough. Huge bit here. I'm going to have a big bit and a smallish bit because I'm hungry, and I'm also going to make a cup of tea. I'm going to try to do it in one hand. This could go terribly wrong. Way! Whoa!
Oh babe,
what a pro.
we got bowl.
Oh, you got bowl. You can have bowl. You have bowl sandwich. I can't have bowl because I've got to eat my salmon. We had we made a spag bowl last night. I didn't have gluten-free spaghetti, so I just had normal pasta. Well, gluten-free pasta with a little bit of bowl. A
little bit of luck, we can make it through the bowl.
Oh, he comes as soon as he sees me with the salmon. He comes.
Oh,
no,
no,
Maurice. I'll give you some later. I don't think this is going to last a week. No.
Oh, it's sitting there quite patiently. No, 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 no.
Oh my god, that cat. That cat has a death wish. No. You are dangerously close. No, this is not good etiquette. No. You love salmon. You love it. I'm going to give you some later. Got some good tips for scrambled egg. She makes the best scrambled egg in the world, so I thought I'd share the secret recipe with you today. First, scramble your egg until it's got bubbles, because then it's going to be nice and light and fluffy. Put you on the wonk there. Heat some butter in a pan. Add the eggs. Every last drop. The main tip is to basically keep it moving, and as soon as it starts to like heat and set, you want to take it off the heat and keep stirring, just to like it, oh, it's just so nice and light and fluffy. It's the best scrambled egg ever, and it's so easy. But you just, like, I just used to keep it on the heat and it was always just like overcooked. Add some salt, pepper. Oh, see that, I left it too long there. But as soon as like, I'm not going to be able to show you this, as soon as it starts sticking, that's when you want to take it off and give it a good stir. This is not the best pan to do it in actually. Still looks very wet, but we're nearly there. Only a couple of seconds off, I imagine. We are pretty much there. Here is my lunch. I've got way too much bread looking at this, but I'm really happy with how vibrant my eggs are and how vibrant my salmon is. I could probably only need that little one. Okay, I have finished filming 3 videos. I've made myself my 3rd cup of tea for the day. I'm probably going over my oat milk allowance, but needed tea. It's 2 o'clock, starting to flag. And I've also bought some snacks through. I'm not even hungry, I'm just like in the mood to board snack. Nen's gluten-free biscuits. This is the oat and stem ginger flavour, very nice. I think these are, you can have them in small portions, so I think I have 2 at a time, save 2 for tomorrow. And also these are fine. These are Roundtree's Randoms foamy, and they're really good, but I have to like lock them away because they're addictive. I don't even like, I'm not a sweets person, I'm more of a savoury person, but these are good and they are so cute. Look, it's a little ice cream and a little snowman. Oh my god, they smell so good. I have 2 of them. If I fancy my biscuit, I have my biscuit with my tea. A hot water bottle as well. And I'm going to sit at my desk and do some editing now. Work for the day is done. I've just taken my like base makeup off because I'm about to do a little HIIT workout with my friend via Zoom. I'm gonna do this. I've also just put a hair mask in because I need to wash my hair, so I thought I'd have a bit of a pamper. Soak, washed my hair, did my skincare regime. Might look a little bit greasy. G's prepping dinner. We're having a Low Fodmap haddock. Is it Mediterranean fish bake? I think it said online. During this Fodmap thing, I've definitely been following recipes more than making our own recipes. Yeah, I'm gonna leave links to recipes we've been using down below. But we've got some lovely looking smoked haddock loins. We had these to use up, so we're gonna have, I can have half a cob of corn, so I'm gonna have half of, like, yeah, one of these. Natura, we've got some really nice vine tomatoes, some black pitted olives, lemon, potatoes, which G is prepping with some garlic infused, oh my god, olive oil. This is looking so good. We're going to place the haddock on top, I think. G's going to demonstrate.
Get your little haddock.
Oh, I'm so up for this.
Ta-da!
Oh, that looks so good. Here is our dinner. Very nice and simple, but hopefully packed full of flavour. Halfway through the meal and just remembered it was supposed to have basil on it.
My bad.
Looks even more colourful now, doesn't it? I'm having a square of Lindt dark chocolate sea salt as a dessert. Great chocolate bar this.
Doing a what I eat in a day thing, aren't you?
Yeah. What are you going to have as your snack? Not on Low Fodmap.
Box of biscuits.
Whole box?
There's not that many in here.
Whole box.
I think there's like 6. There's not that many. No, so yeah, 6 it says, yeah.
That is more than 6 in there.
6, look, 6.
I'm also going to have one of these in a bit. Apparently, if I eat a really unappetizing biscuit while smelling a nice biscuit, the nice biscuit will make my biscuit taste nicer.
Taste of the nice biscuit.
Okay, let's do
I've got a chocolate orange Choco Leibniz.
Great, it smells great.
So.
And I've got a gluten-free, milk-free, dark chocolate chip.
Chocolate-free, taste-free.
Vegan chocolate cookie.
So, you're going to close your eyes.
Okay.
You're going to smell, I'm going to put this under your nose, you're going to smell it. It's not on the Choco Leibniz. No? Doesn't taste of it?
No, I can't.
It's because you're laughing and snotting all over it.
Oh my god, I've got a chocolate moustache.
Chocolate moustache.
I am in bed now. I was going to have supper. I fancied cereal, but I didn't in the end. I just had 2 of those Sainsbury's chopped chip cookies. Smelling cheese, Leibniz. That sounds well rude. I had a peppermint tea. But I'm going to bed now. I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day in Low Fodmap, and I'll see you next time.